culture and ancestral beliefs. Historically known as the royal clan of Tripolis, the Bebumas hold an important place in the state's cultural and political history. Discipline and rich cultural heritage belonging to the larger Tripuri ethnic group, the Jamaatiya speak Kokborok and have traditionally lived in the hilly regions of the state. They are admired for their unique community governance called Jamaatiya Hora, which relates social and cultural practices and helps maintain unity among people. And ladies and gentlemen, there we have Mr. Adong Jamaatiya, Mr. International India 2024. Please put your hands together, because Adong Jamaatiya has made not just us Tripurians but also all Indians proud. Next up we have the Riyang tribe, also known as the Brood, are one of the major indigenous communities of Tripura, recognized for their distinct cultural identity, traditional practices and vibrant way of life. Believed to be among the oldest ethnic groups of the state, the Riyangs primarily inhabit the hilly and forested areas of North, South Tripura and Dhalai. The speech and language belonging to the typical Burman family, known as the unique folk songs, Kajagiri dance and colorful traditional attire. Next up we have the Tripura tribe. It is one of the oldest and most prominent indigenous communities of Tripura, from whom the state derives its very name. The Tripura people speak Kokborok and share deep historical and cultural roots that trace back to the ancient Tripuri kingdom. Traditionally agrarian, the community is known for its close relationship with nature. And they also celebrate festivals like Purya Puja, Kher Puja, and the rich artistic expressions like music, dance and attire. Indigenous communities of Tripura, known for their distinct traditions, language and cultural practices. Believed to be a subgroup of the larger Tripuri communities, the Nuapiyas share linguistic and cultural similarities with other Tripuri clans and speak Kokborok. Next up we have the Chakma tribe. It is one of the major tribal communities of Tripura, known for their distinct cultural identity, language and traditions. The Chakmas have established a strong presence in the hilly regions of Tripura. They primarily follow Theravada Buddhism and their lifestyle beautifully reflects Buddhist values of peace, simplicity and harmony with nature. Next up we have the Kalai tribe. They are a sub-tribe belonging to the Halam community. The Kalai people traditionally practice jhum cultivation, locally known as jhum, and the famous traditional cuisine is chakui chartan. The traditional attire of Kalai women includes the Tak Borok Rignai, Takhamkwe, Gamli Borok Mereng and Risha Kuchak, while the traditional dress of Kalai men consists of Chitrin and Gamli Borok Kapoor. Next up we have the Mog tribe. The Mog tribe of Tripura is known for its rich culture, deep-rooted traditions and warm hospitality. They mainly inhabit the hilly regions of South, North and Gomati districts of the state. The Mog community has preserved a unique cultural identity that reflects both Arakanese and Tripuri influences. Their traditional cuisine includes distinctive dishes such as fermented fish curry, bamboo shoots and sticky rice, showcasing their close connection with nature and local produce. Here we have the Mog tribe. Next on stage is the Santhal tribe. They are one of the prominent tribal communities of eastern India belonging to the Austro-Asiatic Munda linguistic group. Originally from regions of present-day Jharkhand, West Bengal and Orissa, the Santhals migrated to Tripura during the colonial period, mainly as agricultural laborers and forest workers. The Santhals are known for their hard-working nature, rich folklore, music, dance traditions. Their language, Shaukani, is written in Uluchiki script and is distinct from the Tibeto-Burman languages spoken by most Tripura tribes. And they celebrate festivals like Sohrai, Baha and Karam. Next up is the Bushai, also known as Mizo. The Mizo tribe of Tripura is one of the prominent indigenous communities sharing deep ethnic and cultural ties with the Mizos of neighboring Mizoram. Belonging to the Tibeto-Burman ethnic group, the Mizos of Tripura are known for their rich traditions, strong community bonds, and the love for music and dance. They primarily inhabit the Jumpui Hills in North Tripura, a region celebrated for its scenic beauty and the famous Orange Festival.
Sarai mong nanggay, kereng bubat ni, bahay kagmani.
Next up we have Mura Singh. The Mura Singh among the greater Tiprasa ethnic groups. They speak Kakbara. Their attire reflects colorful hand-woven kamchalo, rignai and riksha, adorned with traditional motifs. Deeply rooted in nature and tradition, the Mura Singh maintains a vibrant culture of unity, respect and simplicity. They follow Hinduism blended with animistic beliefs, worshipping nature and ancestral spirits.
Segna kakoi lai mani bibi no takhugo chobiton mani no ani thani bakerang sane kateng phampu bai bakerang subui kenang mani kopno kuchari bisiwa waisya phaipi nai henai.
Next up we have the Garo tribe. It is one of the vibrant indigenous communities known for their distinct culture, traditions and close connection with nature. Originally belonging to the greater Garo Hill region of Meghalaya, the Garos have also made their home in parts of Tripura, particularly in Dhalai and North Tripura districts. And they primarily follow a matrilineal system where lineage and inheritance are traced through the mother's line, a unique aspect of the social structure. After the Garo tribe, ladies and gentlemen, we will be having the Kuki tribe. What a beautiful presentation. Next up, the Kuki tribe of Tripura. It is one of the major indigenous communities of Tripura belonging to the larger Tibeto-Burman ethno-linguistic group of northeast India. Historically, the Kukis are believed to have migrated from the hill regions of Myanmar and adjoining areas of Manipur, eventually settling in different parts of Tripura, especially in the districts of North Tripura, Dhalai and Jumpui Hills. Traditionally, the Kukis have been hill dwellers and agriculturists, practicing jhum cultivation on the slopes. They live in well-organized village communities under the leadership of village chiefs, reflecting a strong sense of unity and social discipline. Next up we have the Darlong tribe, known for their rich cultural heritage and unique cuisine and customs. Their main language is Darlong. They have their own unique music and dance forms. The main cuisine includes salted intestines, bamboo shoots and other organic vegetables, with fermented pork belly and fermented fish rice. They also have their own festival, Darlong Halla Kut, sharing their rich culture and YTA India, that is a Darlong tournament and DYF Darlong Youth Festival. Their traditional attire is skilled handloom weaving with top stitched with traditional cloth and headgear.
Ugotogredna hene thangpuru kene malailai samai tanglaima.
The next up is the Halam tribe. This community is one of the major tribal groups of Tripura, belonging to the greater Kuki ethnic family of the Tibeto-Burmese origin. They also have several sub-tribes such as Kalai, Molsom, Piping, Ronglong and others. They have a rich cultural heritage reflected in their folk songs, dances and traditional festivals.
Segna kakoi lai mani bibi no takugo jogiton mani.
Next up is the Rupini tribe. It is one of the lesser known indigenous communities of Tripura belonging to the higher group of tribes. They are part of the larger Kuki Chin Mizo ethnic family and speak a dialect related to Kokborok, the common tribal language of our state. Traditionally, the Rupinis practice jute cultivation in the hilly regions and led a simple, community-oriented lifestyle. Their culture, festival and social customs closely resemble all the other Halam tribes. Next up we have the Rangkhals. They are a sub-tribe of the Halam community in Tripura, also known in parts of Assam, Manipur and Mizoram. They share close ethnic and cultural ties with the Chin, Kuki, Mizo groups. In Tripura, they are mainly concentrated in Khowai, Dholai and Sipahijola districts. Traditional dances are Buthar Phamna, bamboo dance, and they reflect the vibrancy of their artistic heritage, just like Unity Promo Fest. Next up we have the Uchoi tribe. Uchoi is one of the beautiful indigenous communities of Tripura known for their rich cultural heritage. Believed to have migrated from the Arakan Hill region, present-day Myanmar. The Uchoi people have settled mainly in the hilly areas of South Tripura, particularly in the Amarpur and Bilonia subdivision. Traditionally, the Uchoi practice jute cultivation on hill slopes, and the society is organized into several clans, each maintaining its distinct identity and customs. Moving on towards the Munda. The Munda tribe of Tripura is one of the significant tribal communities residing mainly in the hilly and forested regions of the state. Believed to have migrated from the Chota Nagpur plateau region, the Mundas are known for their hard-working nature and rich cultural traditions, presenting the Munda.
Hene semai tamlai ma hamzat nai rokni serai mong nangge kereng bubani bahai kagmani
Next up,
awi kenari na
Manipuri.
tini
Originating from the neighboring state of Manipur, the Manipuris have made a significant contribution to Tripura's cultural and social fabric. They speak Manipuri and are well known for their rich traditions in dance, music and art. And especially for the world-famous classical dance form, Manipuri classical dance. Their festivals like Larai Harauba Yaoshan and Nimbar Shakoba reflect deep respect for nature.
Tashu musekna kakoi lai mani bibino takhugo jobiton mani Noai ni thani bekerang sanai hojak satung nogoyani tini kakoto kotuma thaisa sawana nana kanana de numbatu
Next up is the Bengali. The Bengali community is the largest and most vibrant cultural group in Tripura. They speak Bangla or Bengali, the official language of Tripura, and are known for their festivals like Durga Puja, Poila Boishakh, Kali Puja, celebrated with great enthusiasm, showcasing their deep cultural roots. The harmonious blend of Bengali and indigenous traditions has shaped Tripura's unique identity as a land of unity, diversity and shared heritage, presenting our indigenous ramp show. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we are about to witness a re-entry of all the performers on stage once again. আবার একবার আমাদের পারফর্মারদের আমাদের মঞ্চে একসাথে আমরা এবার দেখতে চলেছি আমাদের ইন্ডিজিনিয়াস ফ্যাশন শো, আমাদের ইন্ডিজিনিয়াস র্যাম্প ওয়াকের আরো একটি সুন্দর পর্ব। Because that was such a beautiful representation of our beautiful state Tripura. আমাদের সুন্দর রাজ্য ত্রিপুরার একটি অসাধারণ ঝলক আমাদের দেখালেন আমাদের এই পারফর্মাররা।
Kotuma thaisa sawana nana kanana de numbatu